Audio Jungle.
I welcome each and everyone for the next session. In this session, we are going to deal with atom and atomic mass. Already we have studied about what are atoms, the structure of atom, and what and all will be present in the atom in the last session. That is, we have discussed what are atoms. And in this session, we are going to deal with atomic mass. So, to first know about what is atomic mass, we should find where the mass of the atom will be presented. So, we should know about the structure of the atom, right? As already I told, atom consists of nucleus in the center and it's surrounded by electron in the outermost. So inside the nucleus it consists of what? Proton and neutron. So inside the nucleus it's going to be consist of proton and neutron, and outside it's surrounded by electron. This proton and neutron which is inside the nucleus are combinedly called as nucleon. So proton and neutron inside the nucleus is combinedly called as electron. This proton and neutron is going to contribute much mass to the atom than the electron which is surrounded around it. So this electron is not going to contribute that much of mass compared to this proton and neutron which is inside the nucleus. So this sum of this proton and neutron is called as mass number and it's denoted by 8. So sum of proton plus neutron is known as mass number and it's going to be denoted as 8. The number of proton or electron, that is, number of proton is equal to number of electron. In an atom, number of proton is equal to what? Number of electron. So either we take number of proton or electron. So number of proton or electron is known as atomic number and it's represented as Z. So number of proton or electron is known as atomic number and it's represented by what? Z. Next, we have found out where the mass of the atom will be presented. Next, we need some unit, right? To measure anything, we are going to represent it with some unit, with mass, kilogram or gram. For this atom, for this tiny atom, we are going to measure it in atomic mass unit. So, the mass of the atom is going to be measured with a unit known as atomic mass unit. To know about the atomic mass unit, we are going to take a stable element that is going to be carbon 12. Carbon 12 is nothing but an isotope of carbon. So to calculate, we are going to take a stable element that is carbon 12. It is nothing but an isotope of carbon and it consists of what? 6 proton and 6 neutron. So to calculate, I am going to take carbon 12. Now atomic mass definition is that one atomic mass unit is equal to 1/12th of mass of carbon 12, isotope of carbon, and consists of what? 6 proton and 6 neutron. So atomic mass unit is 1/12th of mass of carbon 12. Carbon 12 is an isotope of carbon and going to consist of 6 proton and 6 neutron. Now we have found out the calculation of atomic mass unit. Next, now we are going to represent this atomic mass like AMU. So the unit is going to be AMU. Now it has changed only to U. That's it. So one atomic mass unit is defined as 1/12th of mass of carbon 12. It is an isotope of carbon and consists of what? 6 proton and 6 neutron. This is the definition for one atomic mass unit.